Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Ps5 is updated and your headset is connected. This avoids connection quirks. Next, open Settings, go to Sound, and choose Input and Output devices so the console knows where to send and receive audio. Once done, adjust volume and mic level. Speak to check the meter shows activity. Make sure your DualSense headset is selected if using the controller jack, because the game will route party voice through the chosen device. You now enter Phasmophobia and go straight to Options, then Audio, to align game settings with the console. Select Party Voice Chat for squad coordination or Proximity for immersive roleplay. Choose based on whether you want distance-based audio. Then adjust microphone sensitivity so normal speech registers without clipping. Lower sensitivity if background noise triggers voice. If available, enable push-to-talk to prevent accidental transmissions. Once configured, test in a You finish by joining a lobby and asking teammates to confirm they hear you. That live check verifies both console and game routing. If game voice is unreliable, switch to Ps5 party chat temporarily to maintain coordination, because the system-level voice may bypass in-game issues. Make sure privacy settings allow voice chat and that your headset's mute button isn't engaged. If problems persist, check NAT type and restart the console or router. Often a network refresh clears voice connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.